Discover the DNAfit Atom DNA Test Kit. Links to the product and more details are below. DNAfit offers personalized insights into your health, fitness, and lifestyle based on your genes. Perfect for optimizing wellness, understanding predispositions, and creating tailored plans. Simply swab your saliva and send it back. DNAfit's online platform delivers detailed reports. Unlock personalized fitness insights like endurance versus power potential, recovery speed, and injury risk. Discover how your body processes nutrients, your carb and fat sensitivity, and potential intolerances like gluten or lactose. Connect with wellness coaches to interpret results and apply them to daily life. Access tailored meal plans and workouts based on your DNA. Learn about genetic predispositions to stress and build resilient strategies. Ideal for fitness enthusiasts, athletes, or anyone seeking a science-backed, personalized health approach. Remember, these insights are guidance, not definitive medical advice. Ancestry information requires additional services. DNAfit focuses on health and wellness. Take a data-driven approach to your fitness and nutrition goals with DNAfit's actionable insights, coaching, and user-friendly platform. Empower your health decisions. Check the links below to learn more and start your wellness journey.